Oh look, glass. Great. This is pretty sad. I have no idea how that got there. Oh shit. Oh.
I have to protect my image.
Are they just donut media? Like,
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just representing donut.
Fuck yeah, I love donut.
Okay.
What do you put right there?
On the front?
No.
Oh.
Fuck!
See how we do with these stickers. The alignment is gonna be interesting.
Okay. Let's see how we do with the beam. The lucky bastard. You need more light? Nice. Dude, that's sick. That's gonna look awesome. Might have been smart to wait like a day. I won't do any more of these. Trial run. Oh, that looks so cool.
Minty.
Dude, that's fucking sick.
High def.
Ooh! I love it.
That turned out nice. That was a good 12 bucks.
$12 for those?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Money well spent. I walked into the door holding the spray can, reading the directions, and literally bunts the little top painted the door. So that'll be a fun recovery project. No! Next order of business today. This boy needs some rusties.
Nothing sues a rusty bumper like rusties. Wow, look at that shine.
Cop. You got that Soundaktors? What's it called? What's it called?
The fake sound
Yeah.
from the exhaust.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's some stupid thing from Volkswagen.
Soundaktors. Hey, do a pull.
I can't, there's people in front of me. Oh, now I can.
Go! Damn it. You guys both need exhausts.
I know! I got it, it's here. I could probably just stick those 3 things back in there and paint them red.
Yeah. I mean, you can get like these little plugs. They're paint matched. And just stick them in there. They sell them somewhere. Boy needs some water.
Oh, I'm bleeding. I didn't even do anything.
It looks good on camera because you can't see the holes very well.
You can't feel the plug guts on it either.
Yeah, or the
That's
line.
how dirty this car is.
It's kind of neat. Pee-pee time.
Okay, I can keep doing that. That hurts.
Boy getting gains.
Dude, gotta get that thigh master, bro. Oh, what happened?
I just rub my purse on it all the time whenever I'm getting in. So now I have to change my oil next.
Next oil change. Did you see that Porsche that we passed?
I did, yeah, that was sick.
Should be coming back.
Is it going back? You know who that is?
Yeah, Ollie called me and he was like, hey.
It is?
He was like, what are you guys doing? Like, we're going to Jimmy John's. He's like, all right, I'm coming.
Awesome.
So,
Oh, no kidding. Bro, we should race him.
yeah, maybe we should.
Watch him kick our ass.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, dude. I need to get rich so I can have one of those.
That's pretty gnarly.
Oh,
Quick, go!
Save before my phone dies.
Damn.
That sounds. Oh.
That's fucking
Put it
sick.
on hard no.
Yeah, hard. Bruh. Jake, get on this dude's level. Hey, for off-road use only. Race car shit.
Well,
That didn't work. So I guess I must have tapped the wrong green wire with a white stripe. There were two. I just chose the wrong one, I guess. Yay! Works now. Yay! Slow blink! Oh. Damn, he's good. No.